Hi guys, I'm Sim from rentalmilan.com. This is Seba apartment video tour from virtual tour that we rent out always near Bocconi. You can go walking, unlimited internet, of course, everything included price, all inclusive price. Dishwasher, there is full fridge, there is also AC that you can see from here. All renovated. AC is portable, so that's why you can see it. So we have one bedroom, a wardrobe, autonomous heating that is nice, bathroom with shower and washing machine, everything brand new. We have had also couple living here 1 year, and then I can see from the map there is also the living bedroom, and the wardrobe I was talking about. It's nice to have. Okay, you see all big wardrobe in the corner, study table. It's nice. It's nice. You can check the availability and prices. I let the link downstairs with Ottavia directly. Thank you.